Good morning, students. This is the tutorial part for our class today. The topic is on revision on days of the week. Please prepare your English 1 notebook and Schoolmind students book for this class. The content of this video is tutorial time. Work on tutorial time. Part 1, tutorial time. Please complete the work given on tutorial time and upload it inside the Google form that is given to you. Instruction: rearrange the words. There are 7 words that I gave to you. Write the words inside your English 1 notebook and rearrange the words. There are 7 words of the days that you have to rearrange. The first one is done for you. Monday. Complete all the 7 days of the week inside your notebook. Part 2. Instruction: print out or copy inside your English 1 notebook days of the week. Cut the days of the week and paste them in the correct order. Gunting dan tampal hari mengikut susunan yang betul. The example is already given to you. The first day is Monday, so you have to complete all the days after Monday. That's all for the tutorial video today. Thank you and see you in our next class. Goodbye, students.